Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful watermelon step by step. Let's start drawing. To draw the watermelon, first draw long lines. Then I will make it round like below. I'll do another round right after this. I will draw another watermelon in the same way. I will draw the watermelon seeds very well. The watermelon looks very beautiful. Wow, awesome! Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Dark green color. I give this color to the skin of a watermelon. I will use this color for this too, like this. Red color. If you make the watermelon beautiful, I will color it red. Wow, that's great. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!